Sister Jolly entered the congregation in the house of Mumbai on 28 June 1979, saying that ever since childhood she had had the desire to become a religious, and with this in mind had focused her studies and various activities on this goal. She learnt about the congregation through a newspaper, and from that point on had no doubts, realizing that in the Pauline apostolate she would be able to respond to the yearning in her heart to give herself to the Lord without reserve. Following her initial formation, during which she also had the chance to obtain her high school diploma, she made her novitiate, which concluded with her first profession on 29 June 1984. As a young professed, she dedicated herself to capillary and collective diffusion in the Diocese of Panjim, Goa. She rejoiced at the riches that were shared in her small community and confided that it was easy for her to love and commit herself totally with fidelity and responsibility to the Pauline life and mission. After her perpetual profession made on the feast of St. Paul in 1989, she was entrusted with the formation of the province's aspirants and postulants, while at the same time she dedicated herself to university studies with the goal of obtaining a bachelor's degree in theology. In 1993, she resumed traveling the crowded streets of India to bring the gospel and books on human and Christian formation to schools and institutes in the populous city of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and then in the city of Bangalore in the state of Karnataka in South India. The different cultures and languages she encountered did not frighten her. Like Paul, she was convinced that her boundaries were those of the entire world. Her experiences of life enabled her to say with profound awareness, "The more I give, the happier I am." In Trivandrum and then Secunderabad, she was entrusted with the coordination of our book centers, which were true points of reference not only for the formation of simple people but also for priests, seminarians, committed lay people, and men and women religious. In Bangalore, she had the opportunity to undergo a period of updating so as to deepen her spirituality. She was constantly seeking the face of the Lord and striving to attain the wholeness of life upon which our founder always insisted. She confided, "Jesus Master is the strength and source of my life. In the Eucharist and in my daily hour of adoration, I meet the God of my life and obtain the strength I need for my mission." In 2013, Sister Jolly had the joy of participating in the FSP International Encounter on the Charism in Rome, together with sisters from various circumscriptions, and this strengthened her sense of belonging to the Institute, something she had also reaffirmed on the occasion of her perpetual profession when she told the Superior General, "I love and appreciate the beautiful gift of our charism. I am aware of its challenges and needs and also of my weakness, but I trust in the Lord who is always faithful." From 2004 until today, Sister Jolly's simple, joyful, competent, communicative and unpretentious presence favored the growth of our book center apostolate in the communities of Nagpur, Shillong, Mumbai, Calcutta and Borivali, where she had been stationed for about 3 years. A few days ago, she had the joy of participating in the Silver Jubilee celebration of a group of sisters who had been her postulants. No one could have foreseen that that occasion would be her final farewell to the community of Bandra, Mumbai. The Lord called her to Himself suddenly while she was carrying out the Pauline mission. Everything took place in a few short minutes, with a severe heart attack marking her passage to eternal life. Purified by the blood of the Lamb, Sister Jolly now proclaims the good news of salvation forever. joining her praise to that of all the saints before the throne of God.